Hi, everyone, and welcome to episode 3 of our session around ChatGPT with myself and Dimitri and the SkyRocket sessions. Dimitri, how's it going?
It's all good, Gareth. Happy to be back. How are you doing this morning?
Yeah, good. Busy, busy, busy. Your side?
That's wonderful. Yeah, same. I hope all of you are busy and ready to go. As Gareth said, we enter episode 3. We're going to touch on our last piece of ChatGPT, look at a little bit around Azure. But what do you think about using ChatGPT in the Azure space? What does that mean to you?
Yeah, I mean, it's just mind-boggling what this ChatGPT thing is doing, I mean, I've heard stories about people literally being able to write, not even low-code, no-code applications and programs using the Power Platform. But now that ChatGPT's come along, you literally just tell it what to do, and it creates something for you, and actually gives you the code and gives you the process. And it's almost like, I know I've mentioned to you before, but I can, and I don't know how realistic this is, but I can kind of see a future where instead of having people that study specific professions, you're going to have people that study to get access to that specific portion of AI. For example, instead of going to go study law, you'll have somebody that now studies just enough to know how to run the law module within ChatGPT. Or instead of going to go and study how to become a marketer, you have somebody that now studies to have access to the marketing portion of the ChatGPT AI, or the AI out there. I mean, it's crazy what's going on. It's mad.
That is very, very scary if you think about the future. The funny thing is you can't really replace salespeople on that journey, can you?
And I wish that you'd tell my boss that as well.
That is awesome.
So Grant, if you're listening, we love you.
That's nothing but love. But I mean, to what you're saying, I've done a little bit of homework over the past few weeks, and I've even seen people use ChatGPT almost as a senior consultant for Business Central development. So like the limits of this thing, they almost don't exist. And I think we're just gonna learn more and more how to use it to our benefit. But I mean,
Yeah.
when it comes to Azure, I'd like to just take a look at what Microsoft are planning. They've got a little video that I'm gonna pop up now, and
Sure.
yeah, hopefully we can get a nice idea.
Good. Interested to see what that's all about.
AI is driving transformation across industries. At the core of this transformation is groundbreaking research, including the development of large, sophisticated models. With the Azure OpenAI service, you can bring best-in-class language models to your business quickly. These powerful models have been trained on trillions of words and can be applied to a variety of use cases, from summarization to content and code generation. You can tailor and fine-tune the models to meet your specific business needs by using your data for improved accuracy. With few-shot learning, you can provide the model with examples to achieve more relevant results. Using built-in responsible AI controls and filters, the models can detect and mitigate harmful content, ensuring they're only being used as intended. Thanks to native integration on Azure, you can rest assured knowing that your models come with enterprise-grade security, like role-based access controls, private networks, and data privacy.
What Microsoft have done on the Azure side is really just change what it means to be a developer in the Microsoft ecosystem.
Yeah.
I know, our colleague Chris is doing some very cool work there, but we may see that work jump, especially with this intervention. And, who knows, maybe from a junior side, people can just accelerate their learning or their ability to contribute both on Azure and maybe even Business Central. And
Yeah.
it's really just so exciting to see what the future holds for Microsoft. I think this is by far the best bet they could have made.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think there's a lot of fear out there in the industry now. I mean, what's your take?
Yeah, I mean, I understand that there must be a lot of fearful people out there. I look at this as something exciting because maybe I don't feel directly threatened by what it can do in terms of replacing the role that I fulfill. But there are definitely some people that are maybe a bit nervous. But I think it's like anything, Dimitri, like, the last big sort of revolution, and I think this is the next one. AI is the next big thing. And I think with anything that's changing the way our landscape looks, it instills a bit of fear. But I think we just need to ride that wave out and try and understand how we can harness this and how we can use it to our benefit. Eventually, we'll get there, and then we'll be better off than we are now.
I think that is really the best take when it comes to this new technology. And Gareth, I think that wraps up our session on ChatGPT.
It's been so informative, Dimitri. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, listen. So going forward, SkyRocket sessions are planning a couple of really exciting things. I think, Dimitri, I was thinking about maybe chatting to the various different entities. So I'm currently sort of running that from a Braintree account management perspective. I'm starting to build each of those entities, and I thought maybe we'll start inviting 1 or 2 people to have a chat, so we can tell the Vox channel what it is that they do exactly, how we can engage with each other, and how we can leverage what it is that each of us does in order to benefit the other person or the other entity's sales engagements with their customers.
I think that's brilliant. At the end of the day, that's what SkyRocket stands for. And that's why we end off so many of our messages with the more you know, the more you sell, because it really is true, guys.
100%. Right, guys, thank you so much. Stay lekker, stay safe, sell hard. See you later. Thanks, Dimitri.
Cheers.